Consistent effort makes the new program the default. Pairing your affirmation, your new belief, with things like music that moves you or physical movement or other sensory cues. It helps embed it faster and deeper. Practice right now. If it's safe for you to do so, just gently close your eyes for a moment.
Okay. Find a quiet, comfy space. And maybe visualize your mind like a computer screen showing lines of code.
The old program.
Right. See those old limiting beliefs written there, like, I'm not enough? Then imagine a bright, maybe golden cursor highlighting that old line. See it being deleted. Feel a sense of release as it disappears.
Okay, erasing the old code. Now imagine yourself living just one small aspect of your desired reality. Maybe it's feeling really confident walking into a meeting, or perhaps signing that important contract, or just feeling open and receptive to love. Pick something small. Okay, now the important part. Add the emotion. Really try to feel the joy, the relief, the excitement, the peace, whatever fits that scenario. Feel it as if it's already real, right now. Maybe even let a small smile form on your face. Breathe like it's happening.
Then, in that empty space, visualize yourself typing in new, vibrant words. Your chosen affirmations. I am inherently worthy. I am magnetic to opportunities, whatever resonates. See them glow on the screen.
Writing the new program.
And then imagine the screen refreshing, showing you glimpses of your new reality reflecting this code. Maybe new doors opening, maybe you acting in new, confident ways naturally. You breathe in this upgraded reality, feel it, and then gently, intentionally save the new program in your mind.
You just did it. You gave your subconscious new code, combining the mental picture with powerful emotion. That's how we effectively install these new empowering programs.